Welcome to BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. We are looking at the final element of the short story today. To recap, we looked at plot, character, setting, point of view, and theme. Now we're up to the last element, the sixth element, descriptive language. Descriptive language is exactly what it says. Language that describes so that we know what's happening. We often use our five senses to create a scene and to create language in our stories. Sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. If you can remember how we looked at setting and we described how the forest looked with the large trees and the gray barks and the overcast conditions, you could hardly see what's happening above, and the birds whistling and the creatures howling. That's descriptive language. We're going to have a full session on descriptive language, a full tutorial, so you make sure and join us for that. But this is the sixth element of story writing. We need to have great language to tell our story. Remember that. Thank you for choosing BetterGradesFast.com. I'll see you soon.